Transforming your imagination into moving pictures is now as simple as typing into a box with RunwayML's groundbreaking text-to-video generator. Let's dive into how you can harness this incredible power first. Navigate to RunwayML's website and locate their text-to-video generation tool. You'll find a prominent input field waiting for your creative spark. This is where the magic begins. Type in your prompt as descriptive and imaginative as you like. Think about the subject, the action, the style, the mood, the environment. The more detail you provide, the more nuanced your generated video will be. For this demonstration, let's try something fun. A fluffy corgi wearing sunglasses, riding a skateboard down a sunny beach boardwalk. Once your prompt is ready, you'll see an option to generate. Click that button. RunwayML will now process your request while it generates. Remember that you can experiment with different phrasing and details to refine your output. Then, voila! You'll be presented with several video options based on your prompt. Preview each of the generated clips to see which one best captures your vision. You can play them, pause them, and get a feel for the AI's interpretation of your words. Once you've found the perfect clip, simply select it and hit the download button. Congratulations! You've just created AI-powered video content from a simple text prompt. The possibilities for this technology are endless, from social media content and marketing materials to personal artistic expression. Start creating your own AI video stories today with RunwayML.